was a calculated play by Iran to support Hamas in a targeted attack that, of course, benefits Hamas's goal and mission. Their mission is to essentially eradicate the Israeli government that is holding the Palestinian people back. So that's their goal, their purpose. That's all they care about. That's all Hamas is focused on. Iran might have different goals. And one of Iran's goals is, of course, to create any kind of scenario in which the West looks like it's incapable or hypocritical in terms of what it tries to police and enforce in terms of democracy and fair play and equality across the world. So Iran knew that an attack by Hamas was going to force Israel to have a response. Hamas knew that they couldn't overrun Israel in one day. There's no way that they were going to cross into Israel, kidnap a few hundred hostages, and then see a transformation that they're looking for. It was not a suicide mission, but it was a very tactical incursion with a limited scope of outcome. They wanted to do something that was going to irritate Israel into making a response, but they knew they weren't going to win the war. What I don't think anybody anticipated, except for just a few of us, was that Israel was going to go so far in terms of the level of response that they carried out. And I think that's what Iran was counting on. Iran wanted to do something that was going to instigate Israel in such a way that Israel's response would be so overboard that the whole world would wake up to the fact that Israel is an oppressor and the United States backs Israel with total and complete hypocrisy to their policies anywhere else in the world. And here we are on November 24th, and that is exactly what's happening in the world.
So fresh on me.